What is going on, you guys? And it's Brandon from BlazeTech, and in today's video we're going to be going over the Rode NT USB professional microphone from Rode. And the reason I'm doing this is because pretty much I don't have a good quality microphone, and I need a good quality microphone if I want to do recordings on like OBS or something like that, or I have calls with people I need to talk to. But pretty much we're going to be doing a unboxing of it, and if you like it, stick around. And other than that, remember to like this video if you have not already. Other than that, subscribe when you want to, and we'll open this microphone up, as well as I will leave a link in the description if you want to go and pick up this microphone for yourself. So as we can see, this is the NT USB professional USB mic, and it's got studio quality, a headphone output, USB connectivity, desk stand, and pop filter included, which is good because I'm pretty sure when I got my AT 2020 I did not get a pop filter. I had to buy it individually, but the poppity pop is annoying, so I'm glad I can fix it. And flipping it over to the back, if we look at the bottom, we can see that we get a NT USB microphone, which is good because, well, that's what I paid for, and a pop filter, a standard USB cable, a small desk stand, a stand mount, and a tiny zip pouch bag, which is cool if you ever need to take this around for traveling or anything like that. So let's open it up. So I just took it out of its holder, so nothing special here, and here's the actual microphone itself. So if we open it up, if I can do it with one hand, I need two hands. So pretty much why I actually grabbed this microphone is because I've heard it's actually good quality, and as you might know, I'm a pretty high quality person. Not audiophile or anything to that level, but without a doubt I've heard many great things about this Rode USB microphone, and this is what it looks like because I just unboxed it. So you get a little carrying case. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I believe it's actually got something in it, and as you can see, it's got nice branding Rode with a leather case. And over here we have the Rode actual microphone, comes with a pop filter already installed on it. And if we look down here, you got the big USB cable. This is probably maybe 5 meters, and you got the stand, which is actually not a bad size, especially if you're using something like a laptop. And you just simply screw this onto here and you're pretty much good, and just connect the actual cable. So this is what the actual microphone looks like outside of the box. It's probably like, let's say, a palm's length, and I'll actually connect this to that, then you actually see what it actually looks like. So this is actually what the Rode microphone looks like, and as you can see from down bottom at the back just here. And what you gotta do with this, you have to make sure it's fully tightened, otherwise it will fall over. And it's actually pretty nice. I like it. It feels sturdy, feels good. That's what I want. And if we actually look on the side, it's a very similar setup to a Blue Yeti microphone. So here you've got the microphone volume adjustment. If you connect your headphones to this audio jack, you can actually control the volume via this knob. But I'm just going to be sticking to it onto my laptop, as both of my headphones are actually Bluetooth and wireless, so I won't be using this. However, if you do want to use it, then the option is there if you want it. Now I am actually going to be connecting this up to my laptop. I'm not 1,000,000% sure how I'm going to do it because I'm running out of ports, but once I have it set up, I will get back to you. Alrighty, so as you can probably, well, I'll show you. So I've literally just plugged in my Rode microphone, and it just works. It's literally that simple, plug and play. It works just fine. And proof to show that it's working just fine is I have OBS up and running. Here's my microphone, here's my laptop, and here's the camera, and this is OBS working. So this is the actual microphone, and I can show you proof if we go to settings, when we go to audio, then we look at mic and auxiliary audio if it's going to focus, and microphone Rode NT USB, which is the one that's popping up and down right now, as we can tell, indicated by the up and down microphone section right here. And every time I talk, it goes up, and if I scream like "whoa," it gets higher and higher. So literally it's just a matter of plugging and playing. It's super simple, no installation of softwares or anything like that needed, so it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using it for the next few weeks. Going to be using and doing some screen recordings, which is cool. And yeah, other than that, if you guys got any questions or anything like that, or you want a follow-up video going through the actual microphone itself, then I'll be happy to do that. I'll also be inserting a link where you can actually go and check out a sound recording. It'll be unlisted. But yeah, other than that, this is Brandon from Blazdeck. Hope you had a good day. And if you like this video, remember to like as well as subscribe, as well as if you want to pick up a Rode PSA microphone, then link will be down below for that. Other than that, see you guys next time. Remember to click on screen for another video.